In a college election between two rivals, a candidate who got 40% was defeated by his rival by 160 votes. The number of votes polled was. Now, this is a very common type of question. In such kind of questions, what you have to assume is that total votes is equal to 100. Now, the main thing here is that there are only two rivals, so two candidates. One candidate got 40 votes. Okay, so let's assume that A got 40 votes. As there are only two candidates, the second candidate must have got 60 votes because the total votes we have assumed to be 100. Now, according to our assumption, A is getting defeated by 20 votes, 60 minus 40. But in the actual question, it is given that A is defeated by 160. So this 20 corresponds to 160. Now, when you have the difference between the two votes as 20, the total votes were 100. So you can form a simple ratio like this. 20 is to 160, 100 is to x. Now you can cross multiply and get the answer. So x is equal to 160 into 100 upon 20. Answer comes out to be 8